Hi everybody, it's Jason here, and today I have something that's really special. Actually, a few things that are really special. So my fiance and I just went to Tiffany to pick out our wedding bands, and we purchased them. They're in this bag over here, but we're going to keep them in the box until after we're married, so we won't do a video on those for another few months yet. But we were pleasantly surprised with a special gift, and that is what I'm going to show you right now. So instead of here, we have a giant bag, and then we have this nice little box. So this was a complimentary gift from Tiffany, because we got the engagement ring, or I got the engagement ring, I should say, as well as the wedding bands from them. So they were kind enough to give this to us. So let's open up and see what's inside. We got a nice big box, Tiffany blue, of course, with the classic white ribbon. Now for the 2018 holidays, they have a few different colors of ribbons in their stores. They have a neon green, a neon orange, and a neon pink. But we elected to go with classic white just because it is related to the wedding and want to have a more traditional look. So really nicely done bow, as you can see. Let's go ahead and open it up. So right away, we see Tiffany Company right in the center of the box. Let's take a peek and see what's inside. We have a couple of champagne flutes. So the box itself is a nice pad, so obviously we don't want the glasses hitting each other or jostling around in the box. And there's another pad at the top as well. So let's take out the glass and see. It's a nice champagne flute. Really simple, modern, elegant look. Nice and clean. No sort of engravings or embellishments on it. Really nice and classic. It's like a standard, maybe 8 or 9 ounce champagne flute. At the bottom we have a sticker. It says Tiffany Company, made in Sweden. And along the other side we have, might be able to see it probably against the box, might be a little bit easier. Tiffany & Company, kind of embossed on the bottom of the glass there. Take the second one out. I'm expecting it will be exactly the same thing. And it is. So that's a nice little gesture from them. I'm not quite sure what these retail for. We'll have to go online and maybe put something in at the end of the video once we have had the opportunity to look it up. But it's definitely a nice surprise from them. And I'm sure that Lucy and I will be using it to celebrate very soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.